Hi, my name is Tracy Burrell, and this is my 28th year teaching for Fairfax County Public Schools. I'm a high school math teacher, and I teach Algebra 1. This is my second semester of the program, so it's like my fourth and fifth classes I'll be taking this summer. I have two black labs, Scooter, who is 8, and Gidget, who is 3, and a cat named Luna, who is 8. In 767, I did my project on it's like a review for the SOL. So this is what you see. You click here to get started. It has a syllabus, useful links, grading, and if you hit week 1, you can go to any day. So this is basically for the whoever's using it, like another teacher. You can go back. You can go to week 3, go back, and then the useful links. So this takes you to the list of all the resources for the teacher. So this links to all my Pear Decks, all the projects, everything. And then this link is what the students see every day. So this is their class app. So they're already accustomed to this. But basically, if you click on the day, it tells you what we're doing. You can go back. And that's it. So that is my project. Go back. And so something great. I can't really say that anything exciting or great has been happening. I think the most exciting thing is going to be when school ends. Alright, well, that's it. Thank you.